Hi guys. So finally I was able to get a Raspberry Pi CM4. This is 1 GB of RAM and Wi-Fi without any eMMC, and right now it's plugged to my power bank and the HDMI is going to my monitor. Here you can see the Raspberry Pi is running, but right now I don't have a keyboard or a mouse, so I can't move the cursor yet because I need the USB port and everything. But USB port is working, but I haven't soldered it yet. But yes, everything is running, and that's a great news. Hopefully I don't have to make any changes in the CM4 part. Only thing is remaining, as I was sharing with you guys, that the HDMI through the FPC is not working. So I ordered new PCBs with the new design. I mean new FPC plug design, and let's see when I get it. Then I will try it out with the Raspberry Pi or my Pine 64 one. And but now you know the CM4 from Raspberry Pi or the Pine 64 or Pine works great with the mutantC version 5. So hopefully you can use both of them, but I will encourage just to get whatever you have you can find. I think the Pine 64 one you can get more easily and than the Raspberry Pi CM4, and hopefully I can share a new update when I get my new PCBs. Thanks.